It's Dr. Brew with a doodle. If you're watching this video, oh wait, you know I got something to show you. Coming to you live from Las Vegas with this BBT. Stay tuned. What up, y'all? What's goody, man? I haven't been able to get this 480 in here yet because I'm sick. I just came out here to show y'all this motor real quick. It's a 5.3. Nothing crazy. This is for the new project that is coming. Yes, we got another new project coming. It's this dude. I know you're a subscriber. I'm not sure what your name is, man. You say you out here in Las Vegas, and you keep asking me to help me, man. Hit my email up, man. I might need your help, man. We'll test it out, try it out. I got another person that wanted to help me too. So I'm going to try him out too, just to get some of this stuff rolling a little bit quicker. But yeah, this is a 5.3 4060. It's going into the projects, a new project. I'll tell y'all what it is when we get here. This harness I'm about to pull off, throw it in that pile over there, throw all that stuff in the back of the truck, go scrap it. If y'all need any parts before I start breaking this stuff down and scrapping it, y'all better let me know ASAP. Yes, I do ship. So this one got a drive-by wire throttle body. Yeah, man. So the goal is tomorrow. The goal is to have the transmission in for sure tomorrow. This motor was supposed to already been put back together today. My bro Big James, he said his bro wanted for his G body, or I think or somebody else that wanted for a G body or a K5. I got so much stuff going on right now, man. So on this one right here, I'm about to just send it to the exhaust shop. It's already done. I'm about to just send it to the exhaust shop, get it out of the way, have Big Jeff come pick it up. Yeah, I got just too much stuff going on. I want to get to my car and start building on my car. So honestly, after this Chevelle come through and after this other project come through, I'm going to stop for a minute so I can build my car myself. I stay building other people's cars. I don't even got time to do the brakes on my I don't even have time to do the brakes on my little daily driver, man. So it's getting too out of hand. So, but yeah, that's just a small little update. I hope y'all like that that 03 Silverado that I tuned. That was a cool little truck. I would like to buy it, man, but nah, that ain't about to happen. I got too much stuff going on. And oh yeah, here's my T56 right here. Yeah, I drove it, man. This damn thing ran good. So I'm not rebuilding it, doing none of that. I'm just gonna replace the clutch and all that stuff. Put all that stuff in there, fresh and brand new. Paint everything up. This is not gonna be a black and gray. It's gonna be a different color scheme. My car DCM, dark cherry metallic. So get that one out the way. But yeah, man, it's just a small update, man. Y'all stay tuned with me. 100 degrees like always. Get your paper, cuz. What up, y'all? I know I probably got boogers in my nose. I'm sick, so it's all good. Don't act like you ain't never seen a booger before. As y'all can see, I got that monster underneath it here. Ooh. Real quick, I gotta hurry up and get this thing in, man. I basically used another jack, got it underneath it here. I'm about to slide it back on the jack. And just want to give y'all a quick tip. They're using a 4080, so let me flip this phone around real quick. Alright, y'all, so when you're working with a monster, you know, you got to open some things up, you know what I mean? So this part, people like, oh, you got to massage the wall, and what is it called, the tunnel? No, you don't. Get the right motor mounts, you won't have to. So this little piece up here, you're going to have to flatten that completely out. And on the 4080Es, well, shoot, they come with these big old Dumbo earrings or whatever. This side I cut kind of bad or whatever, but I'm going to recut it, make it cleaner, and spray it back black and put it in. And it's on the other side as well. See, this side I cut off pretty. You can't even tell where the cut was. So basically had the Dumbo ears on this side too. And you cut them straight down this way. And all this for is for the it's the torque converter cover. Basically covers the torque converter, but you still have these here. You don't need all 6 of them. So the battery died. So I'm going to do another clean cut. So that basically what I'm going to do is come all the way straight down to here and cut it down. There's going to be a clean cut, just like this one. I'll find a piece. This is the piece I was cutting right here. It's still kind of hot though, so let me put that down. Well, let's get the torque converter on and get her up. Got that heavy little whore up there by myself. Time to get the torque converter in. And the torque converter got fluid in there. I had to put a little fluid in there. So that's about to be heavy, so let's do that. Well, that's the update on the 4080E. And yeah, the transmission's underneath it here, so I'm gonna leave it there. I'm not even taking it off the that's the chopper out here looking for a fine mechanic. You know, I had to duck in a little bit. But that's the update. I got the transmission on the jack. I'm not gonna even take it off. And I'm glad I looked up at the flywheel, because we need to order a 4L80E flywheel. Story of my life. Get your paper, cuz. Back at the crib. Got the flywheel. $70 from THELSSWAPGURU. The energy suspension torque. What's the name of this damn thing? Transmission mount. Listen, I don't feel like being out here today, so I'm gonna get this transmission in real quick. Then I'm gonna go in the house and lay back down. Snap on. Oh, how much have I missed you? Ain't gonna be no leaking. Y'all see all that? That fresh rear main seal. Come on, little daddy. Stop playing. Let's grab this flex plate real quick. Well, gotta go back to THELSSWAPGURU. They sell two. One has an adapter, one doesn't have an adapter. So obviously I need the one with the adapter because it's hit too close to the damn engine. Whoop-de-doop. This is the part number for this one, and I'll show you the part number for that one and show you the difference. Alright, man, we back up out here. I know it's hot when I start talking crazy. Let's go return this damn thing real quick. Yeah. Y'all, we back up in this thing, man. I'll show y'all the difference between the old flywheel. Well, the flywheel is the exact same. The only difference is the adapter piece. So let me show y'all real quick. For those of you that don't know, you see that? It says engine side. So this is going to mount. This is going to mount to the engine this way. The torque converter is going to go into this little hole right here. And then, yeah, because without this adapter here, the flex plate set too close to the engine, which it basically would have scraped and scratched it up and stuff like that. So since I'm over here, I'm about to go get the whip smogged. But y'all check out reliable out, man. Look, 200,000 miles, 204,000 miles. Watch the look. Watch how full my tank is, though. Oh shoot, tank on full. Come on, man. Tank stay on full. AC blows cold. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Some of y'all cars be having, y'all dashboards be looking like a Christmas tree. Look, one like to go. Let me see. What? 204,000 miles. Heated seats. Oh, that's why that made boiling up. The seat was on, man. I was up in there hot, boy. Like the AC working, but man, I'm hot still. But yeah, let's look at this smart real quick. Show you what little baby do. I bought this car for $1,000 a year ago. 1 year ago. So let me show you what little baby do. Let me show you that pass sign in a minute. See, bro, you keep talking, you're gonna make me upset. Yeah, that's what I thought. Better come get this paper, cuz. Stop playing with me. My stomach hurt. Hey, guy, how you doing?
Good. A little bit more.
A little bit more? Okay, don't be shy. How's that?
That's me.
All right now. That little pad thing gotta be the coolest thing ever, man. Keep your knees from burning.
No, it's a sharp rocks.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna give my wife one of those, man.
Those, like $5.
Right across the way from about those, yeah, man. Get all reliable out the way so I can do the registration. Get my new tags. I don't know where my title went. So now I gotta get a duplicate title. Put that up. But let me show y'all this pass in a minute. I'm sure she about to be done right now. He running the test. How y'all been though? I came at good time. Look, my good old pal there is leaving. Let me see something real quick, man. I wanna, you know what I'm saying, show y'all my stuff. But yeah, I told y'all, man, all reliable, baby. You know what I mean? Come on, man. This day just turned around for me. I got the right flywheel flex plate. Y'all know what the hell I'm talking about. I got the right flex plate. All reliable, pass smog, no issues. AC blowing cold in this joint. I'm about to head to the house, put this flex plate on, and we're gonna get back at y'all in a minute. Back at the house under the car. If I can get this right. Let's go ahead and line her up, man. Y'all ready for this? Alright, so we got her up there. If y'all can see. Everything up in there good. And this little piece here. This is where the torque converter, this part right here is gonna go right in there. But obviously you need longer bolts, so another setback. This is the second 4L80E I installed in the car. The last time I did one was like 4 years ago. I hardly ever installed 4L80Es. I seriously forgot it was this much stuff. So yeah, the transmission not going in today. But as y'all know, man, whew, that's probably a sign from God telling me to go in the house and go to sleep. So that's exactly what I'm about to do. Sorry I let y'all down. That was nasty. I'm gonna edit that out. To be continued, man. Next video, she will be in. And I'll get the measurements for OG to get the drive shaft done. So, and yeah. Get your paper, cuz. I let it rain. I clear it out. I let it rain. I clear it out. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Got a soda on the side. Hey. The doctor need a doctor. Get your paper, guys.